how can I study medicine in Germany? If you talk about MBBS course, then MBBS is very seriously challenging part in Germany, because if you plan for German MBBS, then I always suggest that if you are having a score more than 80% in your 12, then you are eligible for, then you are easily eligible for German MBBS. Otherwise, if your percentage is less than 80s, then you are eligible for other medical related courses in Germany. Yes. What are the main requirements to study in Germany? Main requirement, you can say that German language, and also if you plan for a bachelor, then there is a need of 13-year education, and if you plan for a master, then obviously bachelor's more than 50%. So write your qualification according to them. I can explain you that you are eligible or not. And if you want to discuss in one-to-one session, that around 5 p.m. we have a Zoom session. Join us in our Zoom session. Then in that session we communicate one by one. Okay, why choose Germany over other destination to study abroad? Good question. So why choose Germany? Germany gives very best options to you, like number one, education free of cost. This is the main factor which attracts youngsters to enter in Germany for free education. So education is free of cost, and in Germany unemployment rate 3%, and it's top 10 happiest country, and it also provides so many benefits other than Canada, UK, Australia. Okay, I want to do in BCA in 80%. Okay, your 12th with 80%, then yes, you are eligible for study computer related bachelor courses in Germany free of cost also. For this, first you have to complete this English preparatory program, and this preparatory program going to start in September, so only 2 months left. Registered fast if you want to study this English preparatory. This is a very demandable course and seats filling fast. One batch we already started by 21 June, and one batch we are going to start in the end of the July for language, and after this we are going to start this preparatory classes by the month of September, and by the end of the June you are going to complete this preparatory program, and by the next September you are allowed to enter in universities according to your desired course for bachelor's course in English language. So many queries I missed one by one. Okay, what are the main benefits for students? The main benefit is free education. There's also part-time job to refill your pockets. Once you reach Germany, there is no need to disturb your parents again and again for your financials. The country itself help you to refill your pocket and help you to fulfill your all daily needs, and help you to concentrate on your studies also. Is bachelor in English possible? Yes, of course, bachelor's in English language possible in public universities. I am not talking about private universities, public universities, because that need of 13-year education, we have option to study this 13-year education in English language. This is the English preparatory program which is going to start in September. If for this there is no need to give any language exams like TEL, GOEThe, there is no need, only IELTS mandatory. And yes, this preparatory program includes language levels also. We can give you the A1, A2, B1 classes from the German native teachers, and after B1 you are going to study this preparatory program. There is no exam, and only exit exam, which is FSP, and this FSP also in English language, and it is recognized in all public universities. So after this English preparatory program, you are eligible to enter in German all public universities according to your desired course. Okay. What are the main benefit of studying Germany? I already replied here. Main benefit, like PR option is there, and also good job opportunities for you, and it's also like that practical education, it clear your all concepts, so lots of benefits to study in Germany, better than India. What about the tuition fees at education institutions in Germany? Like if you're applying for a public university, then zero tuition fees, you have to pay nothing for your studies. But yes, this student clique or this German language classes or English preparatory courses, these are not free of cost. For this you have to pay fees, and this is a bridge course which help you to enter into public universities. It makes your education equal like your Indian education system, makes you the equal to the German education system. After completing this preparatory program, now you are equal according to German education system, and you are easily entered in German public universities for your further studies. How can I apply for Germany? Help me. Ansh, there are lots of options. So first of all, I want to know your what's your qualification, what's your percentage, and your passing year, your age. According to that, I guide you. And if you want to discuss your whole profile in one-to-one session, then please join our Zoom session. In Zoom session, I'm going to live at Zoom after 45 minutes, around 5 minutes according to Indian time, and we can discuss your profile in Zoom session. According to that, I can explain you that you are eligible or not, and if yes, then how. What is a block account? It's a funds which you save for yourself, and it's German government wants to know that if you are entered in Germany, if you're coming to Germany for study, then how you sponsor yourself. So this is the savings that you show to the government, that how you sponsor yourself, how you survive there. So it's kind of a block account. Like in Canada, there's a GIC of 10,000 Canadian dollar. Same way for Germany, there's a 10,000 euros block account money, and which is allowed to only students to withdraw amount monthly for your living expenses. So after reaching Germany, there is no need, there zero tuition fees, so there's nothing to you to pay to universities. Only the requirement to for your fooding and your room rent, like this, all living costs. So there is a part-time job options, you can refill your pocket easily. Ma'am, is student college mandatory? Yeah, student colleague is mandatory dear. It's a 13-year education, and it's a bridge course which makes your education equal to German education system. And after this, like in India, after 12th you are eligible to study in colleges, you are eligible to enter in college, university, but in Germany there's a need of 13-year education. So after 12th directly you are not eligible to enter in public universities. For this you have to first study this 13-year education, which is also called student league, and you can say that English preparatory program also like the bridge course called as student league also, English student league also. How do I apply for PhD in Germany? What qualification do I need in order to admitted to a PhD program in Germany? Dear, sorry, for PhD we have no options. We are not guiding students for PhD in Germany. Like for PhD admissions, there's professors are in Germany who select students for PhD, and so it's not like if you want to enter for PhD, always suggest go for a double masters. After double masters, then professors give you the option to study PhD there, or try to search some professor like through social media, so that professors help you to get admission directly for PhD. This is the one option. Okay, thank you, Jatinder sir. Yeah, is studying in Germany really worth? It is a it has compared to other countries like Canada. Yeah, obviously, if education is completely free of cost, and also it's a practical education which clear your all concepts, then why it's not beneficial for you? And if you plan for a Canada, then you have for bachelor there is a budget around 40, 50, 60 lakhs. And if I'm saying that is an option to study in Germany for your bachelor's in English course according to desirable course, and only amount required 12 lakh. So according to budget wise, Germany also good. And also Germany gives you same options like in Canada, but Germany gives you best options like part-time job also to refill your pockets, and free education, which is the most main point which attracts a student to study in Germany. Only the one demand Germany is the German language, so it's not a very big demand. Once you enter the country itself helps you to convert into its language. Why do Germany universities not charge any fees? Because, yeah, good question. Why Germany declares free education? Because population is very less. So the country attract the youngsters to come in the country, and with the help of education and study according to the technology, so that the country grow with this technology. So there is one more option that Germany declares free jobs. Then after this, mainly the young generation who already complete engineering here attract to Germany for the job profiles. But Germany not give a job seeker visa so demandable, but the education student visa is common. It's the easiest way to enter in Germany. So education is completely free of cost to attract more students. So the students, young generation attract to the Germany. Okay, I missed queries. Okay, I'm completed in 12th class and I got 78. I want to do bachelor's. Yeah dear, if you complete your 12th class with 78%, you are eligible for study bachelor's in English language also, because you are eligible for English preparatory program. This program completes your bridge course, 13-year education, and after this you are eligible to enter in German public universities for your according to desired course. And yes, IELTS required, but IELTS required at the time of visa process, and 6.5 band, and also it includes German language A1 to B1 level, and also it covers all subjects related to your 12th, so that your education is now equal to German register. You are easily entered in German public university, and you are easily eligible to understand every point. How can I find accommodation in Germany? We help you to initially we what our services like airport pickup, and we booked your accommodation, room rent paid by you, and after also we help you for city registration, visa extension, health insurance, and travel insurance guide, city trip, city guide also. So in all documentation part we assist you. Till you not enter the university, you are under our caretaking in Germany also. We are blind trusted partners in Germany. Any more queries? I guess I clear all doubts. Thank you, ma'am. Always welcome, dear. Still, anyone you have any more queries, then please join us at Zoom session. Link is updated on my WhatsApp status and also my staff team WhatsApp status. So try to join us in Zoom session so we can do one-to-one communication and discuss your all profiles. Zoom timing 5 p.m. Monthly expenditure in Germany around 500 to 600 euros, and you easily earn this monthly expenses for part-time jobs. Part-time jobs like restaurant kind jobs, like bookstore shops, like any supply, material supply kind jobs. So we help you for these part-time jobs also. Thank you so much, ma'am. Always welcome, dear. Okay, my contact number is 836802763. This is official WhatsApp number. You can drop your queries here as soon as possible. As soon as possible, I try to give you answers. Address: we are present in Delhi, Dwarka sector 7. Try to visit our office, but before visiting, please confirm your visiting time with my executives. Help me for BC assurance. Join in a Zoom session. I explain you how you are eligible for BC and how we help you to apply in public universities for your BCA. Do I need a German study visa to study abroad in Germany? Of course. Study visa is the visa category you choose to enter in Germany for your visa. And for study visa, there is a need of two main documents like university conditional offer letter, and to fulfill that condition, there is need of language invoice letter. So these are the main two documents which complete your visa file. Hope I clear all doubts of all students. So if you want to communicate with me, then please join in a Zoom session. After half an hour, around 5 p.m. I'm live at Zoom session. Okay guys, thank you, bye bye.